To do a lot of work to chew your food if you want to keep
Be
the weight
thin.
off. Yeah. All right, we do have a few showers out there. Let's get right to the radar. We do have quite a bit of shower activity over the north and into the west. We'll start off by taking a look over the northern part of New Mexico and over southern Colorado. We have a light shower just to the north of Durango right now. Also, a line of scattered showers just to the east of Alamosa and extending down into the Sangre de Cristo Mountains down toward Towson. Over toward Espanola, we also have a couple of showers in and around the Cuba area. Also, we have more widespread showers and storm activity as you go into the western part of the state, anywhere from Black Rock through Grants, and then going into the westernmost sections of Las Lunas. And this line of showers is very slowly starting to make its way across I-40. Some brief heavy rainfall associated with these showers. Also, a little bit of lightning as well. We also have a pretty good storm cell just to the west of Socorro, and down to the south we have just a couple of showers out there, one of which is down in the Boot Hill. We also have a couple of spot showers now starting to rain themselves out over the Sacramentos, although we do have a decent shower between Ruidoso and Alamogordo. So you do want to be aware of all those showers that are out there, and we'll continue with the shower activity as we go through the late afternoon hours and into the evening. Temperature right now in the metros, 90 degrees, southwest winds at 12 miles per hour. We're rather warm across much of the state. In fact, we are in the hundreds as you go down toward Carlsbad, 100 degrees there, 98 in Roswell. A little bit cooler where we've been seeing a little bit of that rainfall, 72 in Taos and 83 currently in Alamosa. Now, we do have a lot of moisture in the western part of the state, and that is due to the fact that we have that southerly flow across the western part of the state, and that's actually being helped out, believe it or not, from the remnants of Tropical Storm Don, which are now making its way through the Arizona and New Mexico border and on its way very slowly into southern Colorado as we head over the next 24 hours or so. Scattered showers as we go through your Tuesday with that area of low pressure fairly close by. Meanwhile, we continue to stay hot. More heat for the southeast as we go not only through tomorrow but through much of the week. More showers and storms north and west for your Wednesday, and then as we go into the latter part of the week and into the weekend, we start to suppress that storm activity, start to recycle some of that moisture as high pressure slides over, and we start to warm things up across much of the state, but not as hot as what we're going to be seeing across the southeast, and you'll see those numbers coming up in just a moment. But first, for the Four Corners for tomorrow, temperatures will be in the 80s and 90s. 92 for Farmington, 88 for Cortez, 84 for Durango, and 87 for Dulce under partly cloudy skies. Scattered showers and storms, a good bet not only for tomorrow but also through your Wednesday and Thursday, with temperatures in the upper 80s for Durango, into the mid 90s for Farmington. Then we pull back those shower chances as we go into the weekend and into the first part of next week. Over the south and west, temperatures here will be in the 80s for Camado and Silver City, 90s elsewhere. In fact, near 100 for Lordsburg, Las Cruces, TRC, Deming, all in the upper 90s as well, with Alamogordo at 99. Partly cloudy skies, a few afternoon showers and storms. We'll keep those showers and storms through the latter part of the week and into the first part of the weekend. Then we start to dry things out into the first part of next week with temperatures in the upper 80s to right around 90 degrees. Over the southeast, temperatures will be once again very hot. 100 for Roswell, 104 for Artesia, 100 for Lovington, 105 for Carlsbad under partly cloudy skies, and unfortunately, you're just not looking at the great chances of showers and storms in the Roswell area. In fact, we're going to stay hot, triple-digit heat for at least the next 7 days. That record of number of 100-degree days that we've seen this year will just shatter as we go through the upcoming week. Over the northeast, temperatures here will be in the 80s and 90s, 91 for Springer, 90 for Roy, 97 for Conchas, and 101 for Tucumcari with partly cloudy skies, scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms. We'll keep those storms around for your Wednesday. Then we start to recycle moisture into the latter part of the week, and then we really start to dry things out into early next week with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. Over the northern mountains, we'll be in the 80s for many locations, 72 for Red River, 74 for Angel Fire, 79 in Chama, 89 for Espanola with partly cloudy skies, scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms through at least the next 3 days. Then we go to more of an isolated shot as we go into the weekend with recycling that moisture, especially over the higher terrain. Temperatures here will be in the mid to upper 80s. Over the east mountains, temperatures here in the upper 80s to around 90 degrees, into the mid 90s for the metro with a chance of an isolated shower or storm coming through in the afternoon hours. We'll keep those chances as we go through the next couple of days and then pull them back into the latter part of the week and into the weekend with temperatures in the low to mid 90s.
Okay, looks good.
Yep.
Thanks, John.